The plan for this portion of the tutorial will be to learn about the features in the teacher environment, such as how to access My Account to change your user information, how to access My Classes to change your class's nickname, link your class to other classes or other teachers, how to access My Students to change passwords, levels in ePEARL, or view your students' portfolios, and how to access and use the resources page. Let's get started. Once you access the software, you are brought to your homepage within your portfolio. We will show Mr. Springfield's portfolio as an example of the path you would take. The teacher environment is similar to the students, but has additional administrative features, sharing privileges, and a link to resources. A teacher can create his own professional portfolio, as well as view and provide comments on his students' goals, work, and reflections. The menu bar consists of 6 features: Home, Artifacts, Presentations, Personalize, Manage, and Resources. For more details on the home page and all its features, please see the tutorial chapter on this topic. The Manage and Resources buttons are unique to the teacher environment. Clicking on Manage brings you to the page to access the following features: My Account, My Classes, and My Students. Each of these is explained in the following chapters of the Teacher Environment tutorial. Clicking on Back to Portfolio will return you to your home page. Clicking on Resources brings you to a regularly updated website that includes the teacher manual, job aids, instructional videos, and other support materials. Clicking on Close Window will return you to the home page.